All right, y'all. Engine just pulled up. Y'all, so I'm out here working on the Roush. Tired of dealing with flaky individuals. I'm gonna just get her done myself. It's been a long time coming, so I'm undoing the wiring harness right now, the intake manifold, the fuel rails, everything on top. And then I'm gonna start taking off coolant hoses, just all the basic necessities so I can get it ready to swap. So I'll keep y'all updated on the progress, maybe show y'all some in between. Let's get to it. This is what it's looking like right now. Air intake out, we got the throttle body off. We're about to take this intake manifold, the fuel rails. We're about to start taking everything off, so. Hey. And bad bitches love me. So trying to keep y'all updated. I'm working on this thermostat right now and getting this intake manifold off. I unplugged everything over here. Got this line out the way. Just unplug it from there, set it to the side. Was trying to figure out if there's coolant in this thing or not, but I don't think there is because it hasn't ran for a while and it was already leaking coolant to begin with, so it don't feel like there's shit. To pull off this intake manifold, if I can do it one-handed or not. Woo! She's leaking something. I definitely can't do this one-handed though, so I'll be back. Oh, it's coming. I had to take the coil packs and shit out. The EGR valve back there is being all annoying and in the way, and it will not move, so I'm about to pull it out though. We'll see. It's freezing out here, but wiring harness is off, intake manifold, all that on the ground. That's how it's looking though. The inside is actually treacherous. Hold on. Look at that. Yeah. So it was pretty rough in there, man, but about to get her back right. Come on, man, more work to do. All right, y'all, so yesterday we got the intake manifold, fuel rail, wiring harness, all the little extra stuff on top out. I still got to do this power steering and the AC compressor. But right now, Darian came outside to help, and we're about to push it down this hill right here and try and get it parked right here on the curb, so hopefully that goes well. The brake's off. I'm about to take my foot off the brake and just try and turn. Okay. I'm gonna have to put this down, y'all, because it has no power steering. Pushing the car. All right. You can go ahead and come around to the front. I'm gonna turn the steering all the way. I'm gonna see if we got it first try, if that's perfect. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. I wanted it off so I could get a jack back here, but it's pretty decent. Right? So, got everything ready to go. We're about to drain the oil right now, so I gotta lift it up. Got the jack. Haven't had this car up in the air in a while, so I know there's heck of oil down there that has to be cleaned up. Draining the coolant right now. It's really hard to record while doing all this extra stuff, but that's out. And we're about to get this fan and this radiator out maybe, or maybe just the fan, we'll see. But coolant's drained, need to go plug that back up and do the oil too after. All right, y'all, we're taking the AC compressor off right now. There's 3 bolts, one right there, and another one right there, that top one. So you can see it kind of shaking. Or maybe that's just my hand, but it's shaking, so this is about to come out. Then I'm just gonna lay it right here on this K-member. All right, y'all. The catalytic converter bolts down there are being annoying. They are not budging whatsoever, so I might have to go buy a torch. But now I'm coming to the inside to do this right here. Gonna take the shifter off, tape it up. I'll show y'all right now. So y'all who never did this before, you just pop this out around the edges. Unplug that. gonna unplug this thing back here. I had to find something to do this with. Put that little orange thing in there. It's like a tab, you just push it in with something. So I use this pen. It'll come off. All right, then you gotta take all these off. Also, I took all those off, that little plate. Now you got 4 13s, and then this entire thing will pop out, so.
Winning season, I'm the shooter in the ref. I was taught to pop his top, you niggas still be shooting legs.
So I've been struggling with these cats. Took a break for a day for Easter. Now we're back. I'm borrowing my girl's dad's air compressor so I can hopefully get these cat bolts off, just knock them off with the impact, because I've been doing it all by hand. My hair look crazy and shit, but just keep y'all updated. We have movement, boys. Let's go. Bitch ass cat bolt. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
I got it on the cat bolt. We're about to see. Got it. Just bolt. One more. One more. All right.
I'm trying to show all the oil that you're just laying on.
Yeah.
It's so nasty right there.
Ridiculous. That dumbass shit. Y'all see that? Drop it down. Now we gotta pull this drive shaft out. I'm trying to pull this out. Ugh. It's out of there. Alright, y'all. Engine just pulled up. Oh, she's coming.